Right, here we go with another one then. We're in Somerset and we're on Solsbury Hill today, so let's do it. Ah, steep, isn't it?
It is still morning.
This is the old man of Coniston-esque. This is at the start.
Yeah.
So Solsbury Hill, it's 627 feet, this one, and it's in the Cotswolds area of outstanding natural beauty. So like a lot of the peaks in England, this was home to a lot of Iron Age hill forts around 300 BC that was, and dating back to, well, up to 100 BC. A lot of Iron Age hill forts around this area. So he had a spiritual experience on the top of Solsbury Hill, Peter Gabriel, and that's what the song's about, Solsbury Hill. Oh, I see.
It's actually.
Oh, for sure.
I'll take one of this.
Nice little gesture, isn't it, with them chairs there? I don't think I've ever seen that before at a summit.
Just a one chair.
I think there's one or a couple of chairs there, maybe just one. Fair play though, man.
Just one chair.
There you go then, just back there, that's the summit of Solsbury Hill. That's another one done. Peace. So that's the city of Bath there in the distance. Pretty close to it. 2 or 3 miles. How are you, Lloyd?
Yeah, Yeah, sound.
Oh, Floyd is around again.
Yeah, time for lunch.
Can't get rid of him like that. Right, so the old geology facts of the day then while we're up the top. Sedimentary rocks from the Jurassic age, and that lasted about 58 million years, from 200 million years ago to around 140 million years ago. Sedimentary rocks for Solsbury Hill. Yes, that's one of the facts I was going to say. You can't quite read it, but it was acquired by the National Trust. Little Solsbury Hill in 1930.
Did we come up this way? I can't remember.
Yeah, this is the way we come up, really steep. This was coming up here. So, nice to go down it. So Dan reckons he might have seen one, a hummingbird hawk moth. He's known around Solsbury Hill. It's a weird one. It's a bit like a hummingbird, but it's a moth. And there's a lot of other wildlife around here: foxes, deers, skylarks, buzzards. They get in there, them blackberries, isn't they?
Yep.
So it was also the location of the Battle of Badon, King Arthur and the Saxons. Oh, that's it then, coming to the end.
Oi.
Right, time check. 4.73 mile. 1,000 feet of elevation going. That's it then guys, we're all wrapped up with another one. That was Solsbury Hill. So, see you on the next one. Thanks for Dan for coming as well.
It's a good hike today. Tougher than expected.
Peace. You know what it is, if Gill's on Solsbury Hill? Solsbury Gill.